this complaint you hear so many times now, that the ulama are not so well read, or the ulama are not this, or they're not educated, is a very invalid complaint, because you do never complain to a doctor that how bad an engineer he is, and you don't complain or you don't accuse an engineer of being a bad doctor or a surgeon, because that's not their field. Similarly, an alim from a Dar al-Uloom has been prepared to tell people and to propagate Islam and to teach deen. He's not there to build bridges or make innovations in science and technology. That's not his job. He is a specialist. So treat that specialist as a specialist. If you have something to say it about the field he has been trained for. And do not make this nonsensical, I'm sorry to use this word, this allegation that how come they're not educated, why don't they produce good doctors? It's a specialist institution. A Darul, a madrasa is a specialist institution designed to make a specific kind of person. And that is the job he's been doing. So let's be realistic here and logical.